Dear UPSC aspirants, I am Adhyapak S.N. Chakravarti from Chakravarti's IAS Academy speaking. I come across many aspirants who, in spite of having good command over language and reasonable skill of articulation, face problems in writing high quality number fetching essay in the mains exams of UPSC. The problem is more in case of philosophical topic. But of late, writing one essay on philosophical topic has become virtually mandatory in the UPSC mains exam. Hence, it is an unavoidable need now. In my view, writing a philosophical essay is easy because every human being has basic notions about human beings, society, the world, and everything happenings around. So there is a philosophy too. Today I am giving you some essential tips on how to write a high quality essay on philosophical topic. Understanding the topic and its expectations is certainly of the first precondition for writing any essay. Maintaining structure, flow, analytical framework, and language are other preconditions. Our publication, Essay Writing Guidebook, explains about various aspects in details. Today, I am discussing only on philosophical essay. What is philosophical in ordinary understanding? Philosophy inquires about truth, value, justice, morality, ethics, knowledge, meaning, and others. It makes distinction between right and wrong, good and bad, what ought to be and what not, and so on. It aims to establish a principle or a perception through logical and critical argumentation. But then what is argumentation? An argumentation is nothing but a set of premises or reasons. It is presented in an analytical manner. If a claim is justified, if a perception is correct, a practice is rational, and an experience is valid, then there must be some good reason to follow it. But then again the question is how to define what is good reason. In philosophical essay, a reason is good if it is beneficial for mankind. Like equality, freedom, tolerance, empathy, harmony, cooperation, and so many other things. A writer's position about life, humanity, society, ecology, development, and other issues unfold as the essay moves forward. Now, what is this position about? Writing a philosophical essay means taking a clear and unambiguous position on an issue or a subject or a moral question. This can be on religious faith, can be on social discrimination, gender justice, or a national interest, or it can be on wealth, behavior, and responsibility. This can be done through comparative discussion with contrasting examples or through linear progression of a premise. One has to keep in mind that there can be no uniform approach or roadmap for writing essay. It depends on the topic. It is topic specific. Some essays may need linear construction of logics and others may require comparison. In a philosophical essay, the writer either reinforces or challenges certain beliefs and practices and values or principles. And examples can be gender justice, can be caste-based discrimination, It requires lots of common sense and ordinary prudence rather than entering into complex theoretical debates. In linear progression, arguments straightaway establish a truth. The essay in 2019 mains, Wisdom Finds Truth, is an example of this kind of essay. But then where does problem lie? In writing philosophical essay, the problem lies in the wrong belief that philosophy is something with only persons with high caliber, spatial aptitude and interest can manage. This unnecessarily makes students scared, and a simple philosophical essay topic appears as if very critical and complex subject. Let us briefly discuss one essay in UPSC exam 2019, the same essay, Wisdom Finds Truth. Now, since this topic is universally accepted arguments, there make no sense of making comparison. It can be a linear progression. The essay says that wisdom is transformed into truth. This essay requires a very clear analysis about what is wisdom, what is truth, and the interrelationship between them. Wisdom, we all know, is what regulates one's thought, process, and behavior, which somebody may learn through practice, experience, or maybe from structured knowledge. And truth is what exists or proven. Suitable examples and citations can be drawn from scientific discovery, social reform, political discourse, and other creative experiments. From truth, again, new wisdom, is created. Okay, but they are integral whole. So from wisdom to truth and truth to wisdom, it goes in a cyclic order. And truth is not created, it is identified, it is discovered, adopting a systematic process. Transformation of wisdom into knowledge happens when one logically connects various loose ends of an idea. Whether cosmic mystery, whether social institutions or political systems, in every field of knowledge, such examples are plenty. And this is done through a lot of examples, or somebody can even take help of quotations. But truth is a relative concept. A truth exists as long as it is not replaced by a new set of knowledge and findings. Let us discuss then another essay of 2018 mains. That is, a good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. It came in 2018 mains. Good life is philosophically equal to virtuous life, ethical, principled life. This is against violence, immorality, or aggressiveness and hate. It will talk about compassion, empathy. Such life can be achieved through education. Okay, Socrates said, virtue is knowledge. Plato said, justice comes through, just education. Knowledge here is not mere structured education coming from the classroom, but also wisdom which comes from the from the society, from nature, from anywhere else, and it comes from observations, experiences, and also systematic innovations. One should not find problems in giving examples about them. A couple of quotations would add value, and that experiments can come from your own life. Do you still feel that the above two topics are too difficult to write? And if they are philosophical topics in UPSC exam, you will give it up. If not, then start writing essay on philosophical topics right now. Once framework is prepared correctly, and then writing philosophical essay with suitable examples and citations, I don't think can be very difficult. But then some amount of practice and proper guidance is always necessary for any good sustainable achievement. Thank you. Thank you very much.